Animal Garden, MAEPS Serdang, and we're going to bring you guys to explore the world of yellow-headed parrot, or also known as yellow-headed Amazon. Let's go!
I love you too. Can you come in? Oh, hi.
So before we bring you guys to personally meet our main character for today, I would like to just give you guys a little bit of sneak peek for our parrots. So as you guys know, the name of the parrots will be yellow-headed Amazon or yellow-headed parrot. But the scientific name of our parrot is Amazona
Electrics.
and they are native from Mexico and northern central of America. They are also famous among the bird lovers. Why? Because our birds here are very highly intelligent. They possess the ability to mimic human speech.
Hello. Hello.
So this what make humans interested on them. And yeah, their price can also reach to 30,000. Our hero, our main character after this is cost 30,000 Malaysian ringgit. So let's go. So we can see here the basic feature of our birds here. It have a yellow head with a green body. Yeah.
The yellow-headed Amazon have important to the ecosystem. This bird play a vital role in seed dispersal of the plant. This bird diet consume fruit, nuts and seed from various trees. They also can travel significantly within their habitat. This bee alpine disperse seed far from their parent tree. The seed that spray far from parent tree can grow out actively. Other than the importance of the yellow-headed Amazon, their nest can be used by other animals during the non-breeding season. During the non-breeding season, when yellow-headed Amazon are not actively using their nest for reproduction, these western nest sites become valuable real estate to other wildlife. The study and web protected structure of a parrot nest provide excellent shelter for various animals. Small mammals like squirrel, raccoon, or even other bird species may take advantage of these abandoned nests to escape harsh weather conditions, predators, or to find a safe place to rest. Other than that, some animals such as squirrel may use the abandoned nest as temporary food storage site. It's convenient place to store nuts or other food items.
What are problems faced by yellow-headed Amazon? Yellow-headed Amazon is classified as endangered species. Means this species faces a high risk of extinction in the wild. It is threatened by habitat destruction due to human activities such as logging, agriculture, and urban development. Deforestation causes this species loss of critical nesting site and forage, leading to decline in their population. Another great threat to the yellow-headed Amazon is poaching for the illegal pet trade and sought after as pets. Poachers capture this bird at a young age and sell them across the sea in the illegal pet trade. This bird popular as a pet because of bird's striking appearance and vocal abilities. The illegal pet trade causes ecosystem disruption because the removal of parrots from their natural habitat disrupts the delicate ecological balance.
As we all know, this bird is considered as endangered species, which is listed under Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, Appendix 1, which regulates the international trade through a promoting system. There are some parties that have taken action to conserve this species from extinction. In 1999, World Parrot Trust and American Bird Conservancy supported Belize Zoo educational program to build awareness for the importance of this yellow-headed Amazon for the environment. In addition, World Parrot Trust is currently collaborating with Belize Bird Rescue to support the rehabilitation and rewilding of birds rescued from trade. As a result, over 100 yellow-headed Amazon have been released back to the wild by Belize Bird Rescue. As of 2019, it's more than 8% of remaining wild population in Belize. Besides that, there is a approved site captive breeding program established for this species near Canberra, Australia, which provides a sustainable managed breeding program.
The yellow-headed Amazon's natural habitat primarily consists of lowland and swamp forests. To enhance the conservation activity, it is crucial to focus on the protection and restoration of these vital ecosystems. This can be achieved through establishment of protected areas, stricter enforcement of environmental laws, and active involvement of local communities in these restoration projects. To develop effective conservation strategies, it is essential for us to gather data and knowledge about the yellow-headed Amazon. Research initiatives should be funded and conducted so that we can know their behavior, their habitat requirements, and their breeding patterns. Continuous monitoring is necessary so that we can assess the success of conservation strategies and adapt the strategies accordingly. Educating the public about the importance of yellow-headed Amazons is currently critical. Public awareness campaign can help to generate support, interest, and funding in these efforts. Wildlife sanctuaries, aviaries, and zoos can play their important role in educating these public peoples about these remarkable birds. By implementing these suggestions, we can ensure that the future generations have the privilege of witnessing these magnificent creatures on their natural habitat. Conservationists, communities, and governments need to unite for a brighter future of yellow-headed Amazons.